man's happiness depends less on what he or she knows than on what he or she feels.
Second, so I mentioned you were all alone. I could feel the trouble coursing through your veins. Now I know.
This quote came from Liberty Hyde Bailey.
Just a phone call left announcing them is sparking up. These cigarettes won't stop in one.
What Liberty Hyde Bailey meant is, what you know, being bad, does not affect your happiness, but instead, how you conceive what you really know, the knowledge that you know about something, the sad news that you've got, is what affects your happiness. So how you feel, how you interpret information is what will determine whether you'll be sad or happy. Thank you very much. Liberty Hyde Bailey.